We are on our way to the
So
store.
we're at the little library in the Crystal City Town Lake, and the kids are reading their books. Got Maisie and Miss Spider's Sunny Patch. Mason, you have Donald Duck, and what else? Mickey Mouse. How's your book, Mason?
I've read so many of his, I can't remember all. Are you leaving these up here for a reason?
Just doing the puzzles.
Okay, we just got done with the library and now we're going to go across the street to the store. Alright you guys, let's get on the scooter. Hold on. Okay, so we just came over here and we got the kids a sucker because we're having a little outing today, me and the kids, aren't we? Well, look how big these suckers are. These things are huge. It's called Mega Smarties Lolly. So they're just desperate for me to open them up. Alright, so I gotta open them up now. Okay, so Mason tasted Sienna's lollipop and did not like it, so he's gonna trade his for a Tootsie Roll. So Sienna, however, loves it. You like your sucker?
Mom, I meant to get one, but she said you can save. I can save one of these for later.
Oh, good. Okay.
What do you want?
You already got a sucker.
No, this is for me later. It's for later. Hey, hey. I want some. No.
Oh, you got that sucker right there, honey. Eat your sucker there.
I'm gonna save that for the trip. For me. No, for me. No, for me.